Alright guys, I'm going to teach you guys today, or try to help teach you something about, upgrading your resources and having a better flow per hour of your resources. Some of you guys may know some of these things, some may not, so I'm going to try to give a crash course in it. How do you find out what your resources are? You first go to your first map view and tap on your castle. Inside of your castle you will see these three tabs. Choose Overview, and under the Overview you'll push Production. Production will show you what you make per hour of each resource. And you want to know, well, how do I even start? Maybe we should baby step this. How do I even start making resources? In your second map view, you do all of your resource fields. Your sawmill, your quarry, your farms, and your mines. And it gives you your wood, your food, your stone, your ore, and your gold actually comes from your cottages. So you want to know how to increase these. The very first way to increase it is by rebuilding each of your resource fields up to a level 9, or if you happen to win it or purchase a Divine Inspiration, you can upgrade it from a level 9 to a level 10. So that's the first way, upgrading all of these. How else can you upgrade your resources to give you more resources per hour? Here's a way. You can do it with your Steward bonus, which is your Knight. You can do it with your Research bonus, which is in your Alchemy Lab. You can do it in your Wilds bonus, which is in your third map view. Or you can do it with an item bonus. And the other bonus, I don't understand how that works yet. So let's start off with the first one, a Steward bonus. You'll come back to your first map view, where your castle is, and we're going to go inside of your Knight's Hall. And there you see is your Steward bonus, and it says 1% level increase in your resource production for your city. So whichever knight under the Knights tab that you assign to the position, like let's say we unassign him, let's say that none of these were assigned and you want to learn how to assign somebody, well, you press assign. If you have any knights that are available, it will allow you to assign those to the position. So I choose my highest level knight to assume the position of Steward so that I can make the most resources per hour. How else do you increase your resource production? Your Research bonus. That is found in your first map view inside of your Alchemy Lab. Under Research, the first 4 of these, every time that you increase it, it increases 10%. I have level 7 on food, so my production bonus is 70%. The next way to do it is Wilds. Wilds are found in your third map view, and they're everything out here that you see except for plains, pitch camps, and other players. They will be grasslands, lakes, forests or woods, mountains, and hills. How do you know if you can take over one of these, or how do you know what they give to you? Let's find out. Every time that you tap on one from a level 1 to a level 10, you can press the over arrow or the back arrow to find out how big that it is, like how much might that they have, how much you're going to have to send in to kill it, and what it does for you. Every one, when you press the over button, it'll tell you how much % increase it gives you if you attack and kill and take over this wild. Remember guys, you can only have a certain amount of wilds. If you'll go into your map view 1 and touch your castle, go to conquests over here on the side, it'll show you down at the bottom how many that you can do. I'm full with 10 of 10. Guys, if you have a lower level wild and you want to conquer a larger one, like I have a level 3 hills and maybe I wanted to get a 4 or a 5 or a 10, I would press abandon so that I could take over another one. If you are full on your wilds and you attack one, you'll only get the resources that your men carry back or your wagons or whatever. You won't get another wild. It'll conquer it and then they will leave it. So make for sure and check that every time. But then again, how else can we increase our production? The only other way that I know is by item bonus. When we all started the game, we had some item bonuses. The only way to win them anymore is in the chance with Merlin's tokens every day, or pay for them. And the only other way is to pay for them. Guys, this is a quick crash course on how do you increase your production. I see a lot of people asking for resources, and I'm glad to help when I can. But we want everybody to end up being self-sufficient. That means that you can take care of your own. And guys, that's a quick, good way to learn how to do it. Remember, the few quick course steps. Map view 1. Touch your castle. Overview. Production. Touch on one of the resources. Remember, you start off by upgrading all of your resource fields. Your steward bonus. Select a steward and appoint, or select a knight and assign him to the spot. Third way is your research bonus in your alchemy lab. And the last way is with your wilds in map view 3. Guys, I hope this helps out a lot. If you'll start increasing your production rate, it'll be really awesome for the team, and it'll sure help yourself out. Guys, stay tuned next time for another video. I hope this is inspirational.